Well, I am going to take off this makeup, this pancake. Now I don't have, I ran out of my makeup cream, my makeup remover cream, so I think I'm of using coconut fat or coconut oil, really. See how it goes. But I'm going to start by ripping these bad lashes off. Ooh, that hurts. That hurt. No. I won't go there. So yeah, I'm actually thinking of taking off one side first and then the other. So I'm putting some cream around. No, this is the hard part, really. This is when you realize that it's quite hard work to do this. Oh, this hair is getting in the way and it's looking nasty. But I'm just doing it to show you guys. And there was the beard. The beard is coming through. Hello, beauty. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Hi, y'all. Yeah. So there you have it.